America to Chongqing to beautiful Yibin, China. This is a true story about friendship, about kindness, about family. One week in China, chasing $1 billion dream.
Jonathan
walked beside me, helping me understand China. Then one small message
changed everything.
I'll teach you Tai Chi.
You teach me English.
February 8th, outside Chongqing Library,
I met
Master Jane,
Frank,
and little Ruby in China. 8 means luck,
wealth,
prosperity. That beautiful day became the reason
my craft beer
is named 888 Lucky Beer.
As a little boy in Haiti,
I watched Bruce Lee, I dreamed
of Shaolin, of Kung Fu.
that dream found me.
In another way, Master Jane
Taught me Tai Chi. Then an old master smiled at me. We shared a friendly challenge.
no winner,
No loser,
only smiles.
and respect.
China forever. Jonathan,
Master Jane,
Frank,
Ruby,
thank you.
you opened your home. You opened your hearts.
You welcome
A stranger.
like family.
I came to China looking for business, but it was
Chinese New Year.
factories rested, families returned home. I didn't know, I sat alone inside my hotel. Then Jane smiled.
Come with us
We rode the bus,
to beautiful Yibin crossing,
the mighty Yangtze,
watching
the Min River,
where two rivers
become one. And suddenly I wasn't alone anymore.
in Yibin, Frank's family.
Welcome me,
As a family member,
your brothers, your sisters, your parents,
your laughter.
everyone said,
Welcome.
then Jonathan and taught me
Lower your glass to show respect.
Ganbei.
A simple lesson I still carry inside my heart. China forever.
Lubei Pool, Huaiping Mountain,
Hejiangate,
Li's one ancient town.
Yangate.
You live,
Inside my heart,
you open your
you
home,
opened your heart.
you welcome
A stranger,
like family. I still remember the laughter, the kindness, the delicious spaghetti made by one of Frank's sisters. Walking together through beautiful Yibin, climbing mountain, touched the sky,
the Yangtze,
kept flowing,
Lizwang,
shared its history,
Yangate,
shared its pride,
and every smile,
reminded me
a little of less kind.
my home in Haiti.
For a little while,
Yibin, China became home too. Oh,
China forever.
I first arrived carrying business dreams.
Today,
I returned,
with my white guitar,
not asking,
for anything,
only saying,
thank you.
this Konpa
Tim.live Konpa
is my gift.
to Yibin.
If you remember, a smiling black visitor taking pictures with everyone. That was me.
Children,
Parents,
grandparents,
thank you.
for every smile.
If you still have one of those photos,
Please send it to me
I'd love
to see.
those beautiful